Welcome to a special edition of Jeep Peep. We got the real farm boys from Ohio, including Millie, who are going to help drop this V8 engine inside of that 1977 Freight. Let's get after it. Farm boys from Ohio, putting this engine in. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And torquing them. Oliver's getting after it. Nice, it's the first one. Go ahead and do this guy next. Success here on Jeep Peep. That is the engine in frame, and Landon and Ollie and Kian only scratched it just a little bit. We can fix it all.